In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a 100% completed save game file for 007 First Light. Check my video description for the save file and save transfer download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to extract both. Once done, open the save transfer tool and open the application. Go to resign save and save folder, select browse and navigate to downloads and select the save file and select folder option. In target Steam ID, right click on the game and select open file location. Go to retail, Steam settings, configs.user, copy the Steam ID and then minimize, paste in target Steam ID 64, and then select resign save files. We have successfully resigned our save file. Go to downloads and open the save files. These are the save files. Press Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Go back to app data and open roaming and open GSC saves. Then open 3768760 remote. Before dropping your save, you need to back up your game progress. Copy this remote and create a new folder, name it as backup. Paste the remote inside this backup folder. Once done, open remote and delete all these files. And drop the 100% save files inside. Now you can start the game. Go to story, select chapter, and you can able to see all chapter unlocked. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna load this Man of the Heart chapter. You can select the checkpoint. Going to load the final checkpoint. Select the save slot. You want to save this. And the save file is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.